How to schedule reports in Zoho CRM. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Now make sure you are logged in with your account. In order to schedule reports in Zoho CRM, you need to go to the report section first. Here in this home screen at the top left, you can see this reports icon. Tap on this. Now that you are in the reports page, you can see all of your reports listed over here. In order to schedule reports, over here you can see this schedule reports option. Tap on this. At the top right corner, you can see new report scheduler option. Tap on this. It will prompt you to the report scheduler page. From here, you can schedule reports in Zoho CRM. You need to provide the basic information first. Choose the report which you want to schedule for. Tap on choose. After that, choose how you want to export this file as. Select the start dates and the time. Select the repeat type. You can provide the recipient information too. You can choose how you want to send this report. Choose the template. Choose the recipients. If you want to add additional recipients, you can do so too. After you select all these data, you can tap on this schedule button. So that's how you can easily schedule reports in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.